Monday, we're supposed to just answer these questions by checking either sometimes or always about these statements. So let's do a couple of them together. A, is a square a rectangle? Actually, let's do C. Is a rectangle a parallelogram? I tell my class you always need to underline the second shape here in statements like this and think about that one first. So let's think about a parallelogram, everything it needs. 4 sides, 4 angles, 2 sets of parallel lines. So, is a rectangle a parallelogram? Well, it has 4 sides, 4 angles, and 2 sets of parallel lines, so it is always a parallelogram. If it was opposite, for instance, a parallelogram would only sometimes be a rectangle. Okay, let's do E. Let's do D. Is a square a trapezoid? So once again, look at the second one and think about its properties. A trapezoid just has to have one set of parallel lines. So does a square at all times have at least one set of parallel lines? Yes, always. Okay, let's look at E. Is a parallelogram a trapezoid? So look at the second one. Once again, at least one set of parallel lines. So, does a parallelogram always have at least one set of parallel lines? Yes, always. Let's see if we can find some sometimes here. Okay, is a trapezoid a parallelogram? Okay, parallelogram, think about it. 2 sets of parallel lines. Does a trapezoid always have 2 sets of parallel lines? Nope, only sometimes. Just keep going like that. Always look at the second one first and think about all its properties. Then think, does the first one have all those properties? Sometimes or always? 2, explain when a trapezoid is not a parallelogram. So parallelogram having 2 sets of parallel lines. So a trapezoid wouldn't be a parallelogram when it has 1 set of parallel lines. So you'd need to write that and then sketch an example. So for example, here's my 1 set of parallel lines but not 2. So it is it's a trapezoid but not a parallelogram. You also need to explain it there.